Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 70k subscribers. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the AFCON qualifiers. Bafana 2, Uganda 2. I'm joined by Jero Soko 4 slow.
Hola Tibos.
Okay, remember?
Sure. At least today was Sadale Sundowns. So I shop was Sundowns to the price. You shop like Stellenbosch. The price is up here. Black label at 50 rand to go Mamelodi. Then today reduce Malala pipe or more. Very much. So I Peterson. Utula go to a ball. We wanna we shape it straight. It is straight. Very much. Malala pipe Peterson. Utonda be qua. But on that game for no China. Goalkeeper Pirates a chance. Fanola we improve in. Whatever game ya captain seat. Pirates dal captain seat. Fanola improve. Then coach Mugai chance Rakopa too. Rakopa. That thing is for South Africa, not for one person. Guy Fano China chance Lena Dal.
Yeah.
Of Rosan.
Yeah.
Then Tabisiteke Mdau. Kuliso Mdau.
Yes.
Boso.
Yeah.
Out Mukwena. Yeah, Lumfuken.
Ratomo.
They are what is the decisions the right coach. I'm happy for that.
Yes.
I'm happy for that. You understand? Let's hope Papa Uganda but to perform. Williams to Toba Willal Grand.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Man of the match.
Gigamda Jack.
Kimtao today.
Yeah.
You don't qualify for AFCON member.
Yeah, to qualify. No Maganjan. Get in just they are done.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm happy, bro.
Thank you, Sharon.
Go blue.